Several families and members of the Treasure Beach Women's Group in St. Elizabeth recently received dignity kits and care packages, courtesy of the UNFPA's Gender-Based Violence Response and Humanitarian Response teams, in collaboration with the Bureau of Gender Affairs. St. Elizabeth was one of the hardest hit parishes during the passage of Hurricane Melissa on October 28. Although some persons were still cleaning up, the women came out in their numbers to participate. President of the Treasure Beach Women's Group, Mrs. Fern Faulkner-Lueck, welcomed the Principal Director of the BGA, Sharon Coburn-Robinson, and the other visitors, sharing some of the group's ongoing outreach activities.
We also have at Christmas time, we have care packages that go out to the elderly and indigent, and the youth go to the pediatric ward in Black River, treat the kids there, entertain them, and they've also painted a mural to cheer the kids.
Attendees benefited from psychosocial support, counseling and referrals provided by members of the BGA's response team as well as the UNFPA's team. Mrs. Jenny Carlson is the officer in charge from the UNFPA for the Caribbean.
As UNFPA, we believe that women, grassroots organizations are really integral to the recovery efforts and the relief efforts after the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. So for us, it's really important to work with the government of Jamaica, with the Bureau of Gender Affairs, to support strengthening the capacities of the women-led organizations to really respond to the needs of the people that have been affected. And as UNFPA, we are really looking at the needs of the women and the girls. So inside these dignity kits, we have essential items for women and girls, such as sanitary pads, toothbrush, comb, and shampoo, soap, so that these items can really give some relief. As part of all of the relief that is required, we are here to really be able to also talk to the women and the girls about their critical needs at this stage.
Treasure Beach is a collection of coastal communities and bays and a center for community tourism. And the Treasure Beach Women's Group is but one of several community groups being served by the Bureau of Gender Affairs. The agency's rural psychologist, Monique Fitzgerald, spoke highly of this group's outreach activities.
We have been working with the Treasure Beach Women's Group for about 25 years now. It is one of our long-standing groups that the Bureau of Women's Affairs and the Bureau of Gender Affairs have worked with. So we have a long-standing partnership. We know the work that they have done for not only their community, but for the wider communities in St. Elizabeth and other parishes.
Cecenia Moxham Nelson is an executive member of the group.
I work other jobs and still come here, and I love what this organization been doing. We take care of our elderly, our disabled, and empower youth, which is really what it's all about in our community. The sustainability, I love it.
The UNFPA is here along with the Bureau of Standards. What do you think about this initiative that they've, embarked on today?
It's a great initiative, and I am really happy to be a part of it. To be here to see this. I heard about the Bureau of Gender Affairs for many years. I've been here working with the youth and, come to be close with one of the representative, Monique, and even Nardia, over the years. And we are like sisters, so the sisterhood and things like that, I'm loving every bit of it. And that our people of the community can get some aid